Honorable students, today we are going to discuss about the BMC detail. Yes. The problem statement or the thing we have decided is like daily we should be facing so much of difficulties when rising with the cost. So it is like so this is a statement we are just going to discuss. Okay. What is your who's going to discuss this?
Petrol prices are rapidly increasing nowadays. So, manage daily travel expenses for students like us who travel in the regular bus are very difficult to travel because of the fuel price was increased. We can avoid traveling, so we are forced to spend more. It feels like maintaining a petrol vehicle is slowly becoming expensive and stressful.
So that's true. Along with the petrol, there are other expenses like servicing, general maintenance, and the repairs. All these costs,
Also, the vehicle's impact is more in the case of vehicle business. So all these costs are much higher.
all these costs makes owning a bike more difficult than we expect. We start thinking twice before before we going anywhere that which affects our freedom and daily routine.
So yeah, the main problem that we face because of this is reducing travel. So even I thought of reducing my travel, and the only major thing which I thought of reducing is because of the high cost. So even when thoughting of going to places, I used to make the places cut off unless it's unnecessary. I only go to places only when it's necessary. So yeah, we should make a solution for this in order to be more reliable and also productive, and which will also make us travel more easier without us worrying about the cost effectiveness.
So there is a one problem. So sorry, there is a one solution like just we are switching from the petrol vehicles to electric vehicles. Like now the electric vehicles are ruling the current generation. So coming to this electric vehicles Gen Z, like Ola S1 Pro is currently ruling the major market for the scooter.
Two-wheelers and as well as four-wheelers. Yeah.
So that can reduce the cost and which is compared to the electric vehicles. Also, it is eco-friendly. We are not just switching the petrol from the electric vehicles. We are just transforming the generation, which is also useful to eco-friendly, easy maintenance, and much maintenance is not needed necessary for the electric vehicles as we compare to the petrol. So this is the only solution. Like switching is the electric vehicles is the only solution.
So yeah, as you know, petrol and other prices are increasing so much rapidly. So we should be consider about consider the solution which brings an end to this, and we also be traveling without worrying about the costs. So even the major and necessary plans are getting cancelled just because of their cost, and we also need to make a thing which is more reliable and also be sufficient in order to maintain the level which is being run by the already existing systems.
Okay, so this electrical vehicle is just an alternative. Like they represent a smarter and it is very easy way of living. Like instead of going for this electrical vehicle, if we need any like fuel needs, they for daily routine we need money. So instead of this, the electrical vehicle is a good choice. And we can see it is an opportunity. I mean, it is in the future technology, and instead of seeing it. Raising the fuel prices as a major problem. It is a very good discussion about this comparative study also, like fuel and then EV.